Good morning. We have been back just a couple of days, but we have some commendations to award this morning for work done during half term, slightly before half term, and indeed since we have got back. Obviously there aren't a huge amount at this stage, so I'm also this morning going to focus on some appointments in Year 6 in respect of merit badges, monitors and prefects. So without further ado, commendations go to the following. Adam H in preschool for progress in reading and writing. In reception we have commendations for Cyan E, Sahil N and Azan A. Cyan Sahil for holiday work and Azan a commendation for science, so very well done to all of you. In Year 1, commendations to Thomas W for creative ideas, Dylan H for maths, Fayez F for hard work, Rui Y for creative writing, Karen S for creative writing, Zane D for broadcasting, yes that was very good, that was, I saw that. Ethan M for English and Zane D again for some holiday work. In Year 2, commendations to the following: Arjun D for maths, Ali Aoun D, consistently excellent standard of work, well done, and Sanjeevan M for some holiday work. Year 3, Taddy M, holiday work, Taryn E for holiday work, and Harris D for holiday work. In Year 4, commendations go to Thomas C for English, Thomas T for English and holiday work. And in Year 5, commendations to Obi W for effort in English, Ravi V for English of the very, very highest standard, Vishant S for science, and I will say this, Vishant, I'm looking at your English as well and you are working extremely hard. Rehan K for science, and again Rehan, I'm looking at your English also and it is mightily, mightily good, well done. Johnny H for effort in English, and Laith H also for English, both doing extremely well indeed. In Year 6 we have commendations for Sam P for science, Alfie G for science and PSHE, and Noah S for music. And then finally a special mention and commendations going to Lalit S and Nikhil S for a fantastic piece of artwork in relation to our 125th birthday, producing a fantastic poster banner which was brought down to school, so commendations to the two of you also. So we are up and running in the second half of term, and as I say, on many occasions there will of course be more commendations coming your way. Now then, we are also this morning going to promote some of our senior boys and award some badges. It's quite difficult to do this year, chaps, because of course in a really important part of the year you've actually been learning at distance for the majority of it. But we can still see those boys who are buying in, those boys who are supporting each other in exactly the right way. And now Year 6, you are back at school. This won't be the end of it. I will, I hope, be making one or two more appointments in light of your return. Now then, so here we go. Merit badges. Bronze badge is awarded to Jawad M. Silver badge to Harris L and Milo PD. And in some of these appointments, boys, you might jump a stage and get 2 badges at once. Gold badges go to Milo W, Dylan C, Eddie C, Seth G, Andrew J, Carlo N and Jack M. You get your gold badges, and again if you've jumped a badge there, boys, it is because we have been so impressed with you. Delighted this morning to appoint a new monitor in Daniel Z, and after discussing this with senior colleagues, we have some worthies indeed to be appointed school prefects, and prefects ties are awarded to Hassan W, Will B and Isa A. As I said, there will be a final round of appointments now that you are back at school. And finally for this morning, the correct prototype for the old boys tie has now been received, and I was sporting it the other day. So an order is now going to be placed for our 125th anniversary old boys ties, which year 6 you will be awarded with before you leave Westhouse. But I have been badgered by one of our older boys constantly, who has been asking and asking and asking if he can be an honorary old boy of the school. Well, that's not for me to decide. That is for the committee to decide. But as a gesture on my part, and because I am such a nice bloke, in amongst the prototypes of the old boys tie, there was one that was really messed up, with all the shields pointing the wrong way, and it was really all over the place and shouldn't see the light of day at all, because it was a very early prototype, and therefore to keep this old boy, in terms of age at least, happy and indeed quiet, I'm sure no one out there would be disappointed to learn that this early prototype I'm going to give to Mr. Philp to keep him quiet. So there we go. Have a good day.